Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about set in Python. So set is one of the topic that comes under collections in Python. So we do have dictionaries, list, and tuples. So similarly, similar to that, we have this set. So, what is the main thing about set is, so we widely use list and dictionary, and then only we give priority. The third or the last priority goes to set. The reason behind this set is unordered, and very importantly, it's unindexed. So there is no index maintained in it, so that you cannot fetch a particular element based on the position or based on the key, because we don't have such key value pairs here, and we don't have the position numbers here because they are not indexed. Okay, this is something we always need to keep in mind before we get into set. Okay, and that is why mostly we use list and dictionaries a lot with respect to the programming world. And the set is something like it is not having index, so you can't use it for like huge data set or a huge volume of data in which you have a lot of search to do. So minimum amount of volume of data or something like that, you can use set. And here few operations that I want to show you with respect to set. And this is my set, and it has three fruit names: apple, banana, and cherry. And I'm just printing it. Okay, so you can see here. So set is getting printed. So set is you can use curly braces, and you can do in this way, or directly you can use the set keyword itself, but you have to close it with this bracket. Okay, not square or curly braces. You have to use this braces to close it. Two times you have to do. Two times. So open two times and then close two times. Okay. So now you want to search an particular element is available in the set or not by using an in keyword. And again, like I'm telling you, it is not indexed. Okay. So if you say if you use this in keyword, it will say yes, it is present. It is true. Yeah, it's there. And even you can do iterate. You can iterate the set, and you have to use in again. So you can see I'm just iterating the complete set here. And you want to add an element to the set, or you need to update an element, it is possible. I'm just showing you the add function, but update is also possible. I'm just adding orange, and you can see previously we had cherry, banana, and apple, and now you have orange as well. And you want to remove something, so you can remove it. And I mean, you can use the function remove. And if I say banana, so that will be get removed from my set. Yeah, it's got removed. And you have the option of merging two set, means you can do a union, you can join two set. So you can see here, so a b c 1 2 3, I'm doing an union of set 1 dot union of set 2. Yeah, it's there here. And you can even use the function called update to do the union. Means it's like you can use either union or update. In both the cases, if there is any duplicate, it will be get removed. Okay, so these are all some of the interesting functions, but in set you have so many other functions as well. So you have clear, delete, and you have so many other pop, so many other functions are there. You can start digging deeper into the set. But I'm telling you again, like we mostly use, even okay, in my experience, I'm telling you, I will be mostly used in my data cleaning and data processing activities. I used to go ahead with dictionaries and list a lot, because mostly I'll be having order is not a problem for me, but I need index, because I have to search. I have to do some operations, and with respect to search, retrieval, add, with respect to the position or the keys. So mostly I used to go for, so far in my use case, I used to go for set or dictionary, sorry, list or dictionaries. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com. If you like this video, subscribe channel. And we have a lot of tech videos, and not only in Python, we have so many other languages, technologies as well. And we do videos in two languages, English and Tamil. And I have shared my LinkedIn and Instagram URL in the description box, and the complete playlist video of Python is also shared there. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com.